In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram voice message not working. So first thing you need to do is check if Instagram needs updating. So leave Instagram, go to Play Store, search for Instagram, and check if it needs updating, and if it does, simply update it, and this could fix your issue. Now if you're still having issues, then what you can do is go to phone settings, and here you want to search for apps. Search for apps, and here you want to go inside of apps and search for Instagram, and here you're going to go to storage, or actually no, so here you want to go to permissions, and then you want to make sure you enable everything here, and especially for the microphone, try disabling it and re-enabling it, and make sure everything here is enabled. After you do this step, go back and check if your issue has been fixed. If it's not fixed, check if your internet connection is connected and make sure it's a strong connection, and also try disconnecting and reconnecting like this. So this could sometimes fix the issue. And if this still doesn't fix the issue, what you can do is leave Instagram and try restarting your phone. So if you click and hold on your power button, phone power button, you should be able to see like a power restart. So let me click and hold. Should show right now. I'm gonna make sure to click it correctly here. Okay, there you go. So you can simply click on restart, and hopefully this should fix your issue. Now if this still hasn't fixed your issue, normally this is what it would look like to send a voice message. So if you go to the home page and click on the messages and click on any message, and then click at this voicemail, as you can see here it's like recording message, and I can send it like this. And if you're not able to do this, then your last option is to simply clear data. So if you go to the phone settings and go back to apps and go back to Instagram and go to storage, you can click clear cache and clear data, delete. Don't worry, this won't delete any of your personal data in Instagram. So hopefully this should be the last fix, and hopefully this should fix your issue. And that's it for this video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe.